I welcome you in today's tutorial. So in this tutorial I'm going to teach you guys how you can design this type of simple medical flyer for medical outreach or checkup. Alright, so if this is your first time seeing my video, watching my video, you are welcome to my channel. Welcome to my amazing channel where I draw video every day on graphic design. You can check all the videos. I have a lot of videos already in my channel. You can check them out and you will learn a lot. Alright, so today we are going to see how we can design this type of flyer. After watching this video, please make sure you give this video a thumbs up, like this video and comment, share this video to others so that they can learn also. Alright, so today we are going to see how we can design this flyer. I've imported the flyer already. Alright, so we are going to see how we can design this. So let's start so that this video won't be long. Alright, so the first thing that we're going to do is to get this. Alright, after then we get these letters or this right up, we get these ones, then we get the remaining shapes. Alright, so this is very simple. Alright, so let us start. Alright, to get this, we are going to go to our text. For those who are new to pixellab, here's text, here's shape, here's for background, and here's for your effects. Alright, so the first thing that I want us to do is our background first. Let's go to our background, which is here. If you click on it, then we're going to use color this time around. We are not going to use any image from our gallery, so we're going to make use of color, and this color is not going to be a plain color but what, a gradient color. Alright, if you check, I have formed the colors already, but I'm going to teach you guys how to do this right now. Alright, so if you go to your gradient, you can scroll and check the one that has the same thing. So if you check the background of this image, you will notice that here is darker and here is lighter. Alright, so and if you check this gradient also, you understand that the inside of that gradient is more lighter. So let us use it. For example, if you click on it, then it will not change. Then we are going to add our own color right now by clicking on this plus sign. Then when you click on it, if you notice this thing, this is where the thing is now. So if we click on this color which is here, we are going to change the color of this one, which is this surrounding this box of it. Alright, then if we click on this one now, then we are going to change the color of this center one. Alright, I hope you get what I said. Alright, so we are going to do this one now. So you click on it, then we are now going to click on color for us to select the color, which is the outer color. So we are going to select a color like this. But since we have the image or the design that we want to replicate, okay, let's just form this like this. I think it's okay like this. Then you click OK. After you have adjusted your color, you click OK. I think we are getting it. Then we are going to click on this one. You have to click on it, then you click on color for us to select the color for it. So it's still going to be blue, but this one is going to be lighter blue. Right, I think we have formed something similar, but this one is not like that. So let us click on this one again, click back on it, then you click on color again. So let me adjust it so it to be darker. Yeah, something like this. Yeah, I think I've gotten it. Then you click OK and you are done. Alright, so you can see we have getting a similar, not exactly like this, but we have getting a similar color to it. Alright, so let's start our design. Like I said before, here's for test. So we are going to form this using test. Then click on the plus sign, then click edit. We are going to erase this. Then we are going to use full stop only. Full stop only, and this should be 9. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then click OK. Alright, so you go to your test size, which is this. You go to size. You have to resize. Make them to be big. Alright, so then do it like this. It's going to form in a 3-way. Right, then you're going to go to your line spacing, so that we reduce the spacing between them. Reduce it to something like this. Alright, then resize. Also resize. I think it's okay like this. Then we are going to keep it in this position. Alright, then the next thing is this right up. Let us add our text com for your medical. Alright, so the next thing is com for your, then you are going to make this thing to be in a capital letter by clicking on this. Alright, so then we are going to add a style to it, which is going to be to make it to be in a slant way. Click on style. Then you're going to click on this eye so that it's in a slant form. Alright, then we're going to resize this so to be a little bit small. I hope you guys are getting what I'm doing here. Alright, so the next thing is this medical checkup. You add another test which is going to be medical checkup. Sorry, not this. Then you have to click on this so that all will be encapsulated. This is just the simple way instead of making your test to be encapsulated first. Alright, so then we are going to resize to get something like this, and we have to change the font for this one. Alright, so just come to fonts. The font I'm going to use, it might be from these three depending. Alright, so let's check the one that will look good. I think I will choose this first one, this one here, this one here. Right, then click OK. Then you are going to give it a style which is reboot style, that is this P here. We click on that P, then it will be in a slant form also, so you can apply more than 2 style. You can apply all the 3 styles. Alright, so we are going to apply style on this I now, which is to make it to be in a slant form. Then we increase. Another thing we are going to do is that we are going to reduce the spacing between these. Right, we are going to reduce the spacing. Just come to align spacing. That's where you can do that. Come to line spacing, then reduce to whichever level you want. Think is okay like this. Alright, so come for your medical checkup. Keep it this way. Alright, so let's lock this one so that we have these elements. We are clicking on this. Then we are going to click on this key icon for us to lock them. Once it shines red, that means you have locked them. Then let us make this one to come in front of all these. What I mean is this one. Let's make this one to come in front of these ones. Alright, so the simple way is just click on this, then drag it up. Alright, now the next thing we are going to do is this here is what you get. Alright, so but before then, let's form a shape by just clicking on shape. Then we are going to increase the radius, which is here. We are going to increase it small. Then let's resize to get what we want. This is enough. Alright, then we place it this way. We have to place it this way. Then the next thing we're going to do, let's resize smaller. And the next thing is the test inside this, which is here is what you get. Here is what you get. You add your test. Here is what you get. Then you have to give this in a black color. So if you click on color, then we scroll to get a black color. Then we have to give this in another font. So the font we are going to make use of is this one. Then alright, so then we are going to give it a style which is going to be in a slant form also. Keep on. Alright, then we have to resize, so it will enter into this. I think we need to give it another style. Let's use size to reduce the size first. Click on style and reduce again. And the next thing is that we are going to give it a style which is going to be a bolding style. Alright, I think we are putting what we want. Let's use position to keep it in a better position. Alright, so I think we are done with this one. Then the next thing is just these services they are going to render in this checkup. Alright, so the first thing we are going to do is the write up. So let's go to test. Then the first one is let's check before your BP level, cancer check, sugar level, free drugs and free consultation. Alright, so the first one is your BP level. Then the next one is cancer check. Then the next one is sugar level. Then the next one is free drugs. And the next one is free consultation. Alright, so let's make this one encapsulator. Free consultation. Click OK, and then we have to resize. And then and line spacing. You have to add spacing between them, something like this is okay. Then we keep it like this. Then the next thing that we're going to do is this circle here, these small circles. Let's get them. You come to shape, you click on shapes, then we are going to click on this drop icon for us to select the shape we want. You have to click circle, then you have to resize, keep it like this. I think it's okay. Then we are going to give it a color which is this. This is already a default color in pixellab, so this color. Alright, so then we use position to keep it in a better position. I think it's okay like this. Then the next thing we are going to do, let's just come to this place so that we copy that shape. You come here, then here is the shape. All you have to do is click on this. Then when you click on it, then you're going to click on this copy here. Alright, so you click copy, then it is now 2. Then we are going to use position to keep it in a better way. Reduce this. I think it's okay. Then don't click on it, just copy this one again, then increase this so that we keep it in a better position. Then we have to copy again. If you want this to be easier for you, when you copy hours 2, then you crop, then you merge the other one. When you merge them, it will not be 2. Alright, that will be easier for you. This second one, I think position is not good. Yeah, it's okay like this. Let's copy again, which is going to be the last one. Increase this. Alright, I think we are done with this part, so let's lock them by just clicking here. Let's lock everything. Let's lock them. I think it's okay. Then let's drag this one up. Alright, so I think we're almost done. The next thing I want us to do is this shape that contains the contact info. So you click on shapes. Yeah, you have to resize to something like this. Stretch this one, then you have to resize this one now. Keep it this way. Then let's use position to join it down again. It's okay. Then go to test for more info. Contacts. This is actually my number. So if you're just designing this for somebody, you have to put their own details, not yours. Alright, so this is just a sample of what you can do for the person. Then you have to add it in a black color. Give it a black color. Then position like this. Let's use relative position so it will be at the center. Click on relative position. Then we are going to click on this one only. Alright, so it's okay like this. Then now let's lock them so that they will not be moving. Alright, so then the next thing is this image here. This is actually Sabino's tweet, but you can check other. You can use the person's picture, right, or any other medical person's picture if the person don't want to appear in the flyer. Alright, so we come to shapes. Then we are going to add a shape which is going to be circle. Then we resize it to something like this. Then we are going to add a stroke to it, and the color of our stroke is going to be this color here. Alright, and leave the level of the stroke width to 2 is okay. Then copy this shape. Just copy the shape, then resize it small. Then this one should be at the back. The simple way to do that is come to this place, then drag this one down. Alright, let's use position, then I'll keep it in a better position, in a better way. I think it's okay like this. Then this shape, now we are going to add the image inside it, and let's use texture. I hope you see what I clicked on, texture. Alright, so when you click on texture, then you're going to click on this, sorry, on this thing here, this thing. Then you select the image. The image can be an image that you have removed the background, or it has background, anyone. Then let's crop it to this extent. It's okay. Then come to texture again. You have to on this button. Alright, I think this is cool now. It's okay like this now. Alright, so this is just a simple flyer. Alright, the last thing that we are going to do in this flyer is this. Alright, so the simple way, let's copy this one first. Let's copy this one. Then come to this place, scroll down until you see it. The same way we copied the other one, you copy it. You can see it here. Then we come to A, which is for tests, so that we edit it. Then let's copy this thing because it's going to be many. Let's copy it. Then let's copy it as much as we can. I think it's okay like this. So then we are going to reduce the text size, and also this line spacing, increase it. Then reduce the text size. And keep it like this. I think it's okay like this now. Let's find something like this. Let's find this. Then let's give it a color of this color, which is this. Alright, so I think we are done with our flyer. Alright, so you can see that this is very simple. Alright, so you have to keep it like this. Alright, so this is just a simple way to design your medical flyer. There is still another way, there are still another format, but this is just a simple one that you can learn. Then you can now go for bigger ones. Thanks for watching to the end. If this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel if you have not done. Comment and like this video, and make sure you share it. I'll see you in the next video.